What's happening?
Nothing.
What are you doing?
I'm feeling peace.
And how are you acting?
Feeling peace.
Yes, but how, are you acting like a silly willy?
Feeling peace.
When I was a little boy, we would pick peas and then we'd shell them all night long.
Hi.
Hi, who are you saying hi to? Everybody? Say hello to your mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
And say hello to your daddy.
Daddy, daddy, daddy. Daddy, daddy, daddy.
You want to say hello to your sissy? How about your Nana?
Hi, Nana.
Alright, be still. Now stay right there where I come in real close on your mouth. And your nose. Ooh, what big nostrils you have. Oh, great. Well, I think it's time for me to end the film.
Okay, let me say it after you end it.
Okay, well, do you want to throw everybody a kiss? Thanks. Bye.
Bye.